Oh, hi there. Are you Travis?
Yeah.
I'm Inspector Ed. It says here I'm supposed to do a inspection on a lower level addition.
Yeah. Hey, Ed, nice to meet you.
Let me take off my boots? Yeah? No? Yeah?
No. I guess it's fine. Come on in.
Oh, great.
So, what do you think? Looks pretty good, right?
I would have done a few things differently.
Okay.
Wow! It's a good thing I came. Looks like you forgot to drywall your ceiling.
Nope, that was actually on purpose.
Why?
Well, that was just the look I was going for. Plus, it gives me access to everything later, and I like the fact that I...
Okay, Talkie Talkerson. Zip it so I can do my job.
Well, okay, but...
According to your plans, this wall is 2 inches off. I'm gonna have to note that discrepancy. I only see one duct up here. You sure you got enough HVACs?
I'm sorry, do I have enough what?
You're good. You got any insulation back here?
Yeah, actually I used 2-inch foam board, and then I used foam board adhesive.
Okay, please stop talking. I got it. You got a vapor barrier?
Actually, one of the cool things about this foam board is that it is a vapor barrier when you use the correct tape to seal the seams. The other cool thing...
Okay, whatever. No egress window? How are you going to get out in the event of a fire?
Well, I don't really need one because this is not a bedroom, it's an office, and I do have one in the main part of my basement.
Don't be sleeping down here.
Okay, I won't.
Don't do it. I won't. Okay. But you do know, every year more people die of a lack of an egress window than shark attacks.
Actually, that's probably true.
You think you got enough outlets?
Yeah, I think so.
I don't. You can never have too many outlets. But it does look like you're up to code. But we better go check the box. Holy moly, you got a lot of breakers in here.
Well, yeah, I got all this space out here, plus I have the bathroom, I have the office, I've got the theater room, and the subs in the theater room are actually on another circuit. And
You're doing that thing again where you talk too much. Did you get everything labeled properly?
yeah, sure, we can check that if you want.
Nah, I trust you. I don't see any GFCI outlets. Are you protected at the breaker?
Yeah, we can head back to the box and double check it.
Nah, you've got trusting eyes. Anyway. You got any fire blocking up here?
Yeah, I can actually show you.
I honestly don't care that much. If there's a fire, you're the one that's gonna die, not me.
Jeez, Ed!
Did you rip everything down to the studs so you could check for asbestos?
No, it's a new house.
Well, you really can't be too careful. My cousin's uncle's brother says he knows a guy that died from it.
Okay.
What about termites?
I don't think that's an issue in Wisconsin.
Well, when you hear chewing in the walls in the middle of the night, don't say I didn't warn you.
Great. I won't sleep for a week.
Did you check for lead pipes?
Again, this is a new house.
Well, you never know. Contractor might have slipped some in there.
That's ridiculous.
You're ridiculous.
What did you just say?
I said you're meticulous. This is amazing work. Is this LGD?
You mean LVP? Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I said. Almost looks like real wood. But does it taste like real wood?
What?
Nothing. What's the IP rating on these light bulbs?
IP rating? What is that?
Oh, you don't know what that is?
No. What is it?
Well, let me paint a scene for you. Your kids are having a bubble bath. They're having a good time. They start splashing around. They're getting a little crazy. But then, a single drop of water hits that light bulb. Shards of glass come raining down on your children. Your bubble bath is now a bloodbath.
Oh my God!
Do you want that?
No.
Huh?
No!
Well, okay then. Get these light bulbs changed out. I trust you. Is that mold I smell?
You can smell mold?
Oh yeah, you got mold.
I really don't think so.
Oh, you do. You just don't know it yet.
Okay, I'll look into it. What are you doing?
Honestly, I have no idea. Oh, yeah.
Ed, what are you doing in my tub?
Oh, hey, yeah, so I got your tub, because it's a big tub, and I want to make sure that the tub didn't have too much water volume for your water heater, and looks like you're good. You had your furnace service lately?
Yep, absolutely.
Oh, you did? Well, you should get another guy because I think you got a crack in your heat exchanger.
Okay, I'll make sure to do that.
I don't see any radon mitigation here.
What?
Radon is known to cause lung cancer, and it can be found right here in the basement of many homes.
What?
The silent killer, as it's called, could be lurking right here in your basement.
Oh my God!
Oh, never mind. I see you got a radon reduction system down there. You're good. Well, there were definitely a couple of discrepancies here, but the good news is you passed your inspection and you are ready to occupy your space.
Yes.
The bad news is your taxes are going up.
Wait, what?